Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add images swatches in your Shopify store. So here on my product page you can see that I have color swatches which you can see here, and I am interested to show here images swatches. So basically this theme is Impulse theme. If you have any other theme, I have already created a playlist and I provided the solution for other themes. If you still don't find, then you can contact me. I will help you out in solving this problem. So I am going to show you step by step that how you can add images swatches on product page for Impulse theme. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel, also like this video. So let's get started. So right here you can see we have only color swatches, and we are interested to display here images swatches. So you should go to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have installed Impulse theme. You need to click on these three dots and duplicate this theme first, so that later on if you have any problem or something, you can roll it back to its original version. So once you duplicated it, then you should click on edit code, and here you will be finding some folders and files. So I am going to show you what exactly you need to do. So basically you need to search here variant. So you should have variant-button.liquid. So inside of this file these color swatches exists. So we are going to replace these color swatches with images swatches. So you should click here, go back, and you should search here swatch. So once you are searching it, it will be highlighted somewhere around line number 70. So here you can see that this is the label which is actually displaying the color swatch. For example, I am removing this. You should not remove, but if I am removing this, then automatically this will be hidden. So that means this label is responsible for adding those color swatches. So I am going to upgrade this to images swatches, and for that I am going to add some new lines of code just above it. So let me show you what exactly I need to do. So I need to put a loop here to find the image of the specific variant which we will be selecting. So you need to write here curly braces and then percentage symbol, and you need to write here assign selected variant. You need to define a variable here, and inside of it we are going to write selected underscore variant, and then after we are going to put a loop here. So that loop works something like for variant in product dot variants. So actually we have all the variants inside of this product, and then you need to end this for. So I have ended this loop, and inside of this loop I am going to put some conditions. For example, I am comparing the title. If variant dot title contains value and variant dot image, we are actually going to put some firstly let me close this, and if, and inside of it we are going to assign that value to, then you need to write here assign selected variant. Actually this is the selected variant which we have defined there, and now we are going to assign a new value here. So you need to write here variant, and then after we already ended the loop. So basically if you are going to see that how this is happening, we have defined a variable selected variant, and then we are putting a loop of products dot variants, and inside of it we have all those variants, and one by one we are comparing that if variant title contains value as well as image. So because in the title we have both the variants. For example, so in the title we will have the value of that color name, for example, and the image of that color, and then after we have to assign that variant if that is matching with that, and then after we are going to improve this code. So basically in this we are putting this background color. So we are going to remove this background color like this, and we are also going to remove this and if, and inside of this color image, instead of color image we are going to upgrade it to selected variant dot image dot source, and we are going to show here that we are using image URL, and that is somewhat large size, okay, large, and then after you can save the changes. Once you have saved the changes, then you can actually refresh this page, and here we go. Now you can see that we have all those images swatches looking absolutely fine. If you will see in your mobile view, so it will look something like this. Here we go. Now you can see that this is looking more beautiful than before. Earlier we only had the color images, the color swatches, and now we have images swatches. So if you are interested to undo the changes, so you can actually click here and click on original, so automatically this will be restored to color swatches. So right here, right now you have needed these images swatches, so this is looking beautiful, so you can keep it. And if you are stuck somewhere or you have any problem or something, you can definitely contact me. I have already given the contact details below in the description. Feel free to ask the questions related to the problem you are facing. If you have any other features to develop, still you can ask me. I will help you out in solving that problems and creating those new features. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel and also like this video. I have published a lot of free content on this YouTube channel, so you can watch that and implement it into your store. You can follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, and you can also join a WhatsApp group which I recently created. And thank you once again. See you in the next video.